and it's Coburg Day. And then we're gonna make sandwiches and we're gonna explore a little town. I'm excited. Makeup done. This is probably all gonna get washed away on the beach, but it's okay. I can't wait to eat sandwiches. We're gonna make sandwiches. We're going to Metro to buy some ingredients for our
sandwiches. Sandwiches.
Guys, we're looking at the deli meats now. We have ciabatta, arugula, strawberries, and now we need to figure out
This is the one on sale, right?
what meats we want. No. It has the Parmesan ring. Or maybe it is that. We're almost there, everyone. We have 11 more minutes.
Let's go! Let's go!
It's all just greens. Okay guys, we made it to Coburg. We made a pit stop first at McDonald's. How much should not be? Oh my god, they're fresh. They're like French fries. You guys even see that? I'll take a bite.
No copyright.
Okay, here. Want a bite? Or not? I will. Okay, bye.
I gotta drive us there, no?
Wow.
Wow.
Guys, we made it to the city of Coburg.
Into Westing. Yeah, we made it into Westing.
We parked in this parking lot.
So we got here at 11:30.
We got here at 11:30.
So
The town is very cute.
Past 3:30. No, past 2:30 actually.
We look like we're like... I'm ready to eat, honestly. To be honest, I'm ready to eat. I'm hungry. Okay, we will come back when we make it to the beach. Guys, look how cute it is. There's also like some sort of festival going on because there's like little food trucks there and music. Oh wow, I'm excited, I'm excited. I'm excited. So this one over here is starting to get really sassy. Like he's starting to get really sassy, guys. This guy right here. How sassy are you?
Scale of 1 to 10?
Yeah.
8.
Oh, that's pretty high, guys. Should we try to make it go 10?
My shoulders get like...
Do you love me?
Yeah.
This is too heavy for me.
If you hit that, do you even love me? Or if you hit that, do you just love me if I was at work right now?
If I was around, would you keep me in your heart?
Wow.
Guys, it's not too busy, actually. So they're gonna see our bootleg umbrella, and then we'll look at their umbrella. But you know what? It's fine. It's gonna be great. Guys, this is our spread. So we have ciabatta, chips, we have a bunch of deli meats, and then we also have strawberries and pickles. Get a leak. And then tomatoes, lime juice, pretzels, my bean dip, mayonnaise, spicy jalapeno pickles, arugula, McDonald's.
Guys, I burned very easily, please.
You already
guys.
tan, guys. Look at the difference. It's
Please,
crazy.
guys, please, allow
I
me,
need
guys.
a tan, everyone. I need a tan.
Guys, please allow me.
Mayo, arugula. Should I put this on first or just tomato? I'm assuming we're doing all this meat, yeah. I can leave this one. Ooh, Havarti jalapeno. Oh! Okay, and then let's do the meats. This is, what, this one? Salami? Oh, it's like slimy.
It's a warm.
It's like slimy, guys. Amazing.
Give me. Oh.
Why did I put lime juice? I forgot. And then we got these. Ooh! Two.
You already put this right? Wait.
No.
Oh, it's too much meat.
What do you mean? That's not too much. Two. Why did I get lime juice? Oh, for the Cokes.
Should I use all of it?
Yeah. 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 I'm done. Hey guys, look at my sandwich. It's huge. Let's eat it together, even though I already took a bite. Okay.
Probably fish.
We also got I was saving it for a special occasion. This is a special occasion. Oh my god. Yeah. This one is from Japan. Okay? Because I went there.
No, okay.
Okay? Because I was there. So now I'm going to demolish this meal. Okay, guys? Guys, bye.
Okay, guys, we found a wild Kwani and a Kunu. Kwani in the beach.
The water is so clear.
But there's also a lot of doo-doo.
Look,
It's freezing cold, guys.
No, it's actually
Wait,
okay.
don't drop in the water, please.
I will hold it, you let go. It's actually okay, guys. And look how clear. Hold on, let's get past this ugliness. But the water is so. What? I didn't do it in the water. Look how clear it is. Like, kiss my feet. Look, it's beautiful. Osaka Beach could not do this. So swimming. Love it. It's so clear. Yeah. It's because they know I'm gonna drown. Yeah, they know I'm gonna drown. Okay. Are you scared? Currently sun tanning. Guys, the weather is out. The sun is right there. Good thing I have this umbrella. Beaming. Beaming. I need that tan though, to be honest. I'm so pale. And Z's all the way over there playing with a volleyball. I see he's right there. Oh, where'd he go? Just chilling. Got some chips too. Oh, I'm upside down. Oh, hey. Hey. Show them your trick with your glasses.
Huh?
Show them your glasses. Hey. To be honest, I'm just constantly eating. I'm just laying and eating. That's what I want. We're also playing We're Not Really Strangers. I had these cards for a long time and I never really played. Just chilling here at the beach.
One more?
Oh, one more please. Thank you. Eating strawberries. Just chilling. Chilling under the shade, to be honest. I'm getting tan.
Is that one good one?
Mm-hmm.
That's good. Try to pick the fattest, juiciest, biggest ones from like
Thank you.
Oh. Yo, guys.
It's 3 o'clock. We've been at the beach for
3 hours? 2.5 hours?
3 hours. And now we're just gonna walk around this little town.
Should we get to guys' ice here and then walk over there?
Yeah. We just went to this little cafe to get some ice. And then we also got. I was sitting outside with Patty.
Super nice.
I like that flavor. Blueberry palm.
Sorry. Oh, it's chewy. Es ist lecker. Nachlösung. Ja, viel gewonnen.
Came back to the beach. What's this?
Oh, it's burger. It's burger.
Smashed patties. Lemonade. Lemonade. Popsicles. Hog food. Is it good?
It's like a hint of orange.
Oh, it's going. It's recording. So cute in this little story. That is cute. Ooh, you know what I like that?
I'm really lucky.
Am I gorgeous?
Yeah.
Yep. Kind of.
It's just laser cut balsa. And it actually just
So cute. Just took a nap. And now we're heading to Yansheng Rashida. I look bald.
Same.
Hey, eyes on the road, buddy.
Look what we got. And we're watching the Germany and Paraguay. And we got potato slices. Can you even see that? Okay. Our noodles is fresh and hot, and there's stuff inside too. That's crazy. That's crazy. Finished watching our FIFA game, and we got ice cream. Is it good?
Corner.
You take the phone.
Corner.
And now we do our mandatory walk to Shoppers and TNT.
Oh! Oh, sorry. Oh, they scored. Sorry.